In this video, I will show you how to change refresh rate in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. It's important you do have the correct refresh rate for your monitor to get the best performance out of your monitor, whether that's on a laptop or a PC monitor. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then click on Settings in your pinned apps. If you don't see Settings in your pinned apps, use the search box at the top, type Settings, and open up Settings underneath Best Match. And once you've done that, once you've got your settings opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto System. Then what you want to do is click onto Display, and from here scroll down to the related settings section and click onto Advanced Display. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the drop down box and choose your display from here if you are using multiple displays. If you are just doing this on a laptop, you don't need to worry about this, or if you only have one display, again you don't need to worry, the default display is already going to be selected. Once that's done, come down and you're going to see a option to choose a refresh rate. Now by default it should already be set to the highest rate available. For myself, you can see if I click onto the drop down box it's 144 Hz, but I've also got the option for 60 Hz. Yours may be different, it just depends on what kind of monitor you have, but of course you want to select the highest number, which is going to give you the best performance from your monitor. So that is how to change the refresh rate in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.